everything here is less than $1 each. There's some really good finds here and I want to share them with you. Let's begin. This is the first of many kids t-shirts that I bought. I always go for men's top if I want an oversized fit, but if I want a more of a fit or silhouette, I have to go to the kids side. But I don't really mind because they have some really cool design like this one from Arizona Country Club. It's from the summer camp. So next one is this. This is from the American Red Cross. It's this really nice like mustard yellow color. It's just a nice pop of color in your wardrobe, and yeah, it was a good find. I like it. I didn't lie when I said I like this color, so I got another top in this color, but because it was so big, I snipped off the ends and left the hem kind of just unstitched, so it just kind of rolled up on its own. I think it's quite cute. But my favorite part about this top is actually the bag. So it just says Thursday 5:30. Next is this top. It's also from Arizona. It's another primary color and the design is also at the back. I guess it's for scouts because it says Cub Scouts pack. Not sure, but it looks pretty cool and I like how the accent color is yellow. I think yellow and this blue looks really good together, even though it kind of reminds me of IKEA. And then the last top I got was this Las Vegas top. Some of the decal I guess is already peeling, but I think it adds character to the shirt. And I really like how the Las Vegas Nevada actually stands out. Now we're gonna move on to some blouses. The first blouse might be one of my favorites, but I do have a lot of good blouses. This top looks a little bit funky when you just hold it up, but it looks really good on the body. The print is just so cute. The only thing is, I wish it was just a little bit longer, then I could have worn it as a dress. Next is this blouse. It's so pretty and the way I would style it is just to tie it up. It's a really flowy and breathable fabric, so it's good for the summer. Now this might be my favorite piece from the whole haul. It's just a really nice camisole in this light blue color. The only thing is because it's so thin, you kind of have to wear it with nipple pasties. And actually, I have some holes in the back, but it's really pretty, so I'll still wear it. This is another one of those blouses that look kind of ugly, but they're nice when you put them on. It's semi-see-through, and then it has this two pieces of ribbon attached to the collar that you tie into a bow. I thought it was a really cute blouse to wear for presentations and interviews, and I'm glad I saw the beauty in it on the hanger. Well, it wasn't on a hanger, in the whole bin. Now we're moving on to the jackets. I have 4 jackets. So this is the first one. My favorite part is definitely the buttons and all these little details like the buttons, the pattern, and the slits on the side. They're all kind of in fashion, so it's actually quite a trendy kind of jacket that I found. I feel like there's 2 jackets I bought that were engineering jackets. So this is the first one. It's some Chinese company name. The color's quite pretty, although I don't know how to describe it. Maybe a brown with reddish/grey undertone. I guess it's a grey, I'm not sure actually. It looks quite brown as well. This is the other engineering jacket. So it's a mint green color and it has this company name at the side, as well as some logos. Because it's actually waterproof and I haven't tested it, but I guess fireproof as well. And it has freaking a lot of pockets. There's even another pocket inside this pocket. What? Guys, my hands are so tired. So this is the last piece in the whole haul and it's really adorable crop jacket. It's really soft, so sometimes I even use it as a pillow. So that's the end of my haul. Thanks again, and let me know if you want to see more hauls. I plan on thrifting more. Let me know what you want to see on this channel. I'll see you. Bye!